liver transplant, somebody that try selling liver, that could have really said more for me if you go look. You understand?
Yeah, but
that would have made me go think more, cause yes, you can have. And first, they tell me say liver transplant. I go try to find out when was the last time Jayden got a doctor. That I first thing I want to go and know. When the last time he got a doctor go get a checkup, cause he might forgot a doctor go check if he have the right size liver and the right size kidney. So that means to say, right. So if they mean come to me, pray, tap in the house, man.
My liver can't just go in anybody like that. You have to have a special thing to keep it alive.
You understand from my point of view where I'm coming from. I am not saying people can't take people for kidney and liver and everything, you know. But I am saying if Speedy come to me and say, Tiger, I feel them taking for your kidney. I'm going to say, alright, Speedy. Me, I go out and I go check when was the last time Jayden got that.
Yes.
Did the doctor, what can I check it up in get?
Which doctor?
Did the doctor check if in liver function and which doctor?
Yeah.
So when we are saying, all right, the last 7 months, we say, shit, Speedy.
Yes.
You know, so we get that thing, we say, God, after 6 months, I look like a doctor and checks and say, in liver good and in liver can't fit. You understand? So if you are going to tell me now, say, you believe a dopey story, you have to give me something.
Yes, you have to have
everything have a base. Everything have a beginning, everything have an end. You can't just give me the end and no beginning. I'm not going to take it. That's how I am.
You can't just attack and nag, you nothing concrete.
AJ.
You have to get something concrete. Whether spiritual or what, we need something concrete.
Yes.
We don't just need no round the world talking, we can mean a million things. We want a straight talking.
Because here what happened now, from I was a younger youth, I not to do the dopey story. And the reason why I not do the dopey story, anybody who born in Jamaica, as I am very old church, you pass old school. Good night, my darling, how you doing? AJ, I was about 4 years, I say, you good? Let me show you something, Speedy. There was a man in Jamaica on the radio, call himself Safari. Right? You see him? Him can tell you which part your father meet your mother. Him can tell you what blood type you have. Him can tell you everything. And the man then going pan with a little spin barrel, you see? And him go 5 out of 6.
Yes, I know.
So as I look at you, I say, why you never see say them that come?
Yeah,
why you never see say them that come?
I'm looking at Tiger, I know me get big now, how me can have certain conversation with certain people, because one time people used to call me, what me used to have logical question, and call me, yo, me say, kill Bertha blow, you know. And me a little boy about 12-year-old now, and mother and everybody, stepfather and everybody in a house are bawling a prayer. Me are the only one I tell them, say, hey what? All the praying and bawling is not going to stop the roof from blow off. We need to fix the roof. Yo, then lick me down and say, me don't believe in God. We don't believe in God and this and that, you know.
We believe in the most high, yes, we believe in this higher power.
Halfway through the storm, the roof tear off, bro. We have to move. We look at brother them and everybody have to move in the middle of the storm, walk nearly a mile, go as somebody else to go stay, bro. And me I try to tell them, me a little youth and I tell them reality from time, say, hear what? We know they believe in God and this, but the praying is not going to stop the roof from tear off at the moment, yeah?
Even the same Bible tells us that God help those who help themselves, you know? So I feel like say, I can't stand up in there and I pray. I feel, no man, make a move and God will give you the health and the strength and the energy to run through all the wind and run through all this time, go get to a hammer and cup of nail. No, but that's still not think back on nail long for you, man. I know how you go.
Me's a realistic person with everything. If me I go pray right now for a job or something, once me go for prayer, my thing kick in and think and start say, why me so selfish? Why me think God I go past all these young kids that born with cancer in a hospital? Why I'm going to pass them and come and help me to get a little job? So I don't even do those things, bro, because those things don't work. If you believe those things work, you have to be selfish.
Yeah, but that's what them tell us, belief can kill and belief can cure, you know.
You have to have a selfish mind, because how much little kids born with cancer who don't commit nothing yet, and people are praying for them 24/7. I prefer pray for those people more than pray for myself to get one little job.
Yeah, and that's fair enough. So, alright, let me tell you something. I am not saying sacrificial thing don't go on earth. But does it work? I don't believe it works.
No,
Does
no,
people
no.
do it? I
No
believe
work.
they do it.
It don't
I
work.
believe people do it. I
It's
believe
just like prayer. Alright, let me tell you how prayer work. Let me tell you how prayer work, why I'm not about these things. Because some people it work. Alright, prayer now give you more confident if you strongly believe. Just like one next person who don't believe have confidence the same way and know say, boy, I'm gonna put myself together, learn what to say to the boss, and go say it to him. I saw the person will pray more time. The prayer make them have more confidence. So and them do it themselves. It's not no prayer. It's just
that's why I said believe. That's why I said believe.
Yes.
And believe cure.
yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Because let me tell you something right now. So for me, unless a person can come up and you can't really make me believe it, but you can tell me something, and if it makes sense, okay, fair enough. But you have to tell me what. Guys, do me a favor. While you do the touch ask up to the top iPhone for me, please and thanks. I'm Speedy. If a person go try to encourage me and convince me about this thing, you have to tell me what was the reason why they decided to sacrifice Jayden. What was the reason? And I do not believe, I personally do not believe that because they see that he's going to be bright and can run the whole school challenge quiz. That's why, because Alkaline, you know that musician Alkaline, I watched some tape with Alkaline, and that kid was a bright, brilliant man, and they sacrificed him.
You must remember when these two girls did one did win the spelling bee, one come behind, but the one will come behind does misspell. You see the girl when named Bettina upon that spelling bee? I know that little girl good. And you see from that little girl going like basic school, all she do is in book, and my little friend them and cousin them never like when she come around, cause when she come around, them want go play and she want play school, and then mother and father call them and I say, come make Bettina teach you know. That little girl could have spell every word they get to she from she about 8 years old. You see me? And bright and Missy hold it more bright and hold it for me. Yo, me got all her cousins and we are going to school at Ocherius and to him bright in pass with JC at Kingston and the government pay for medication. Me know whole heap of people double bright with government pay for medication and we them bright. And these things don't happen to them. So them sitting there, me not used to bright kid.
Alright, let me tell you something, I'm Speedy. And this is something that I heard, hear it. And this how some information from the lady, right? And the lady said to me, say, the lady, I talked for next lady. The lady she talked to was the crocodile friend. So, you know the lady, you don't know, you have to be careful when you're custody. You can't just go dig down in that situation. You have to go on the edge and come back. And the lady, I talked to her. I'm on the phone to you. And the lady, the friend, the crocodile friend said, oh no, I don't think, and she called the crocodile one P name. Like I said, I don't think Paula would have unalive Jayden just because of one ribs. That's what she said. Right? And I heard the lady say that. So I said to myself, that's the second time you hear something similar to that, you know. I remember the crocodile said she thought it was the back that break. Yeah? And the back and the rib that causes similar pain.
Yeah.
So that's why again I am asking all these questions. What's the reason for all this lie? Because they didn't tell the honest truth. Unless they can show me the x-ray or the doctor. I may have to see doctor right it. I may have to trust the doctor, since the doctor tell me say no femur bone with fracture. I don't believe it.
No.
I do not believe it because I tell you why I don't believe it, Speedy. I'm gonna tell you why I don't believe it. Speedy, if you are gonna tell me Thursday, right? Friday, sorry, you're gonna tell me Friday. Say the baby need ambulance. If you ever tell me Friday, say the baby, guys, please follow the horse, guys, before you try to come up with my backside and something. They don't look good when I come up with my backside and follow the horse. That's a bad behavior. When you run me off I live. If you ever tell me Friday night, right? You ever tell me Friday night, say the baby need Pearly. You ever say it's happening in that place? Stop it that. Stop it in that place. Make too much noise. Alright, pick up yourself. Right? So this is what I try to say to you. Speedy, Pearly, so confused with my brain. If you ever tell me, Purple, pick up yourself now, man. If you ever tell me now, say, Friday, because of a broken femur, the baby need ambulance to transport the baby. Friday, the 26th of September, the baby needs ambulance to transport the baby because the baby have a broken femur. Fair enough, we accept it. Now, you are going to tell me, so the next day after Friday is Saturday. And you are going to take that baby, now a private car, drove that baby 3 hours. And I'm promising you, they don't have no child boots are sitting in the car or no baby sitting. They can't better that. They don't have no in the car unless the driver have a baby previously have one seat. Then they're going to just come and bring them because they never probably come to pick up the baby. So, what changed in a broken femur that they couldn't splinter on Friday changed so drastically so you can take the baby and bring the baby to St. Anne's from living in a private car? What has changed so drastically? Please come and let me know.
I think the baby get check up and then care go St. Anne or wherever the next place where them are left the baby. I don't think the baby got no hospital because St. Anne's Bay Hospital is not a good hospital. So I don't know why you're going to carry nobody to St. Anne's Bay Hospital.
Oh, yes. And you left from a public to a next public. What is the reason?
St. Anne's Bay worse. Trust me, most people say when you go to St. Anne's Bay, don't come out.
So these are the questions that we need answers for. Because you left a private hospital, go to a public hospital. Then you leave your public hospital, go to a next public hospital. It's a baby.
That doesn't make no sense. Because if me they are foreign,
broken, fracture, femur bone.
Bro, if me they are foreign and some to my son, the first thing me I say come out of the and you tell me say yeah wait, the first thing me I say come out of the public and go to private right now. Now we bring them and pay feet right now. No one I go there America, they are foreign and they get hurt so serious and you know make them go private until you have to go fly come down. So you have the money because if you buy a ticket, if you fly come down, no one is going to go St. Anne's Bay. St. Anne's Bay is one of the worst hospitals, so there's no one going to say go St. Anne's Bay. With a baby especially, anyone going to say private. Worse, have a look at change. You're not going to say St. Anne's Bay. No go so.
Woman then left her feelings. She said, she said, when we did that, I grieve. We never liked the justice for me. I get so we left.
And how long have we wait to public at Jamaica? How long to public, to private at Jamaica and public? Is a whole day in any public at Jamaica. Anything we have to do public at Jamaica is a whole day. If you want to get through with nothing, you have to go private. So I don't know how she would have choose if you left private and go public. That don't make no sense. Nobody left private and go public.
And this is what I am saying. It's all about them and their emotions and their feelings. It's all about them. Because you know why they are where they are today? Because they never come say, oh God, I wonder what happened to me little nephew. Then come out in a full flight to defend them one another. Because I got they either come out and defend the crocodile. I said the crocodile. Oh, what the word was she use? What the word was she say, man? Nurturer, big words, guys, big words. Hold on.
Tell me no one that
nurturing.
Me ma wonder if the baby does come at this at first to try to say because he hurt the baby, make it run away or something. Me I wonder if all this come up for something else and not none for doing no baby. With no baby getting hurt.
Well, so that's alright. So see thing I know, Speedy. So if you go down that road, then no, we have to go back now to the Duppy story. Because that the people where I said Duppy tell me the Duppy story, I got them say
no. It go back to your story. I will say Jayden cannot tell me Sati stuff and blah blah.
Okay.
We go back to that story.